Put them in cages.
Hey, wakey, wakey. Better eat something. You're lucky, you know. Your everyday corpse robber usually gets a sword in the belly. No questions asked. But me...
I like
got
children.
a fancy job.
Ugh.
And you're lucky I like gold better than blood, Lady Deroon.
Where is
Oh.
my brother?
Okay,
Shut
so they know who you
Bet
are.
you look
It makes
high the
sense.
ransom. My brother's a
ransom.
bit too much already.
The ransom. Who's paying it?
Oh, you'll see soon enough. You're not in your shadow anymore, so cork it,
Shatter. Shatter. You're not in your shatter anymore. In it.
British.
We're British. Me and the boys are gonna go start a wog.
I was waiting for it, honestly.
Oh, hello.
Ninjas. Is that the sad flutes? Viva la revolution!
Viva la revolution!
It's the assassins.
I guess I'm just gonna go.
I guess I'll just fuck right off.
Who are you? Melly? The other one's Arthur. This is all your fault. Where is my brother? Hey, keep your voice down. Those dogs
Shut the
don't
fuck
listen.
up.
You don't need it.
I would like it, though. I might not need it, but I would like to have it.
The guard. Arthur will make him move. What? How? A distraction.
Move! He just yells at him.
Don't want, so keep your eyes open.
Okay, so I assume we want to get around him, so...
I think you want to go...
that one.
Well, I think we're going that way.
Yeah, we're going to go around that way.
Alright.
Oh, wait.
Sure.
You're right. That one.
Drugs. Not very well placed.
That
Fire
one?
the cart. That'll do the trick. Get ready. For what? To follow me. So
I'm a
he's-
bird! I'm a bird! What's that noise?
You got an idea how many deaths were on our side? Hard to say. Thousands for sure. But the rats make counting difficult.
No one there.
Hugo is alone with those butchers. They won't hurt him. You don't
Yoink.
understand. If he's afraid,
He'll have a headache. You don't understand our pain as rich French people.
We have food. It's like, where are you
No,
going?
no, just go. Continue.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But the stuff...
There is no stuff.
Okay. Some stuff over there.
Where the hell are these bloody rats coming from?
we have to clear the way.
Something. No. Rats have decimated Valois villages. Thousands of deaths have been reported from bites or contagion. It is a divine plague. And this is just the beginning. There's no room for a war in this. King Edward must order a retreat.
Why are we here? Only to suffer?
The marrow with the spears. Well done. Get ready to go.
Caw.
Good job, Arthur. Let's go.
First I gotta grab shit.
Good thing they don't give a
Watch
shit.
out for the bottles.
Oh,
What do you mean? I'm taking their shit.
what was that noise?
See nothing.
That way, intruders!
No.
Be careful.
They're dangerous.
It's fine.
They're training on a dead body. Yes, that's war for you.
That's how you teach a Valois a lesson.
Oh.
Is it true?
Stay
you killed
down.
2 French
All right.
knights yesterday.
Yeah, but it was easy. It was Arsenal's charge in without thinking.
Looking
Let's
to
go.
make Mars of themselves.
Heroes and their armor shining in the sun. Just have to find the weak point.
Gonna leave the alcohol there then, I guess.
Be careful.
It was a hell of a fucking victory, I'm telling you.
Guyenne belongs to England again, for sure.
Oh yeah. Take a look out there and you'll see that Guyenne belongs to the fucking rats.
All you need is a torch to get rid of him. Bye-bye, rats.
I saw them. Hundreds of them coming out of the ground like devils. No chance.
Look, the bot. Yeah, well spotted.
Dare you? Over there. Saw her with my own eyes.
Left.
Well, be careful. You know our orders.
Now left. I'm gonna go right, then turn left real quick.
Lime.
There's nothing.
Very good.
What sort of prisoners?
Very good.
Excellent.
Valois children. Son and daughter of the knight Robert de Roux. Knight of a tree, more like. His fighting skills from the time of the war.
Oh, not what I wanted.
Wow. 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 Just die.
Yeah.
Like you're already
Where
dead.
is your
There we go. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Just that's
Look, the bot. Yeah, well spotted.
wait, did it
Left.
Just
Nope.
be careful. We need you alive.
All good. Good work.
What sort of prisoner is worth such a high ransom? Valois children. Son and daughter of the knight Robert de Roux. Knight of a tree, more like. His fighting skills from the time of the war are legendary. He's no longer in the service of King Philip.
It is rather odd to be so interested in the children.
Why don't you go ask the sister some questions? She must be awake.
Oh no, don't worry. It was bound to happen.
Why? Why though? I'm gonna jump over this real quick. Don't mind me.
Let's see. This.
Steal it all.
Not bad at all. What are you doing? This is not the time. I'm making your rescue profitable. That's what I'm doing. What about this chest? I saw powder, probably for alchemy. Useless. I can use it. If you want me to open it, just say.
I want you to open it.
that shit up, please.
Just fucking do it.
It's all useless garbage.
There you go. Enjoy. Well done. Come on, I'm coming. Silence. Hey, not that way. There are loads of them.
Oh, brother.
This chick's got fucking balls of steel.
Yeah, she does.
We're running out of bread and wine.
It's the same story each time we win a battle.
Half of the reserve.
You're crazy. What? We got through, didn't we? Just.
She's real fast. She's like a sneak thief or something.
She has points in leveled up in thievery.
Quickly.
Oh, sure.
Soon you'll be far away from here.
Alicia, where is she?
Sister, I think we're gonna keep her with us, right guys?
The bastards. Calm down. No, please don't.
Just be thankful you're still alive. Not everyone
The
makes it
girl!
around here.
The girl!
What do you mean, the girl? Come on, spit it out.
The girl's escaped! The
About
cage is
that.
open. Everyone's looking for her.
Shit! Spread out! Watch the doors and stay on your toes. A cage doesn't just open like that. Might be the Valois doing.
Now's the time.
Okay. Is this my stuff?
Probably not.
Tents. Search those tents.
Can you get out of my way, person?
Alright, I guess we just let him go.
Hugo, I'm here.
Amicia!
Are you alright? Are you hurt?
No, get me out, please.
We have to get that cage down.
I brought a
It's
ninja.
all right, Hugo. Listen, listen. Did they have it when they locked you up?
Yes, they put it in the trunk there.
Right.
Thanks, bud.
Thanks for highlighting that.
Really appreciate it. It's so nice of you.
Over
Can you
to
open
you.
that shit up? Do 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 do.
Yeah, you have to...
It's alright, Hugo.
I'm literally right here, Hugo. Jesus Christ.
Finally. Now, Hugo, I need to get the cage down.
But first... Hugo. Nope, we don't have enough.
Because as soon as I drop that cage, they're gonna come running.
Oh, yeah. This is your last chance to pick up stuff in this area.
I must be able to free Hugo with my sling.
Yeah, I know.
Leave me, Amicia.
Calm down, we're fine.
Sorry, I was scared.
You son of a bitch.
Okay, whatever. Let's just get it fucking done.
Tents. Search those tents.
Oh, this isn't gonna be noisy at all.
Fortunately, they are busy.
Oh, I guess it's just fine.
The lock.
Ow, I have a splinter in my fucking bare foot.
They said someone's going to take me.
It's alright, Hugo. We're going to get out of here.
You could have just opened
You
it.
could just fucking open it.
You could have just fucking opened it.
It's not like I'm stronger than you or
They said
anything.
they were going to take me away, and I wouldn't see you again.
Well, now you know that's not
Man,
true. I'm here.
We're staying together, right?
Of course. And we're going
ducks
to go
fly together.
to help us.
Flying V! We only got 2 though. It's real difficult.
You're a bad girl. Happy now? Can we go? Take my hand, Hugo. Let's get going.
Yes.
There's a way out to the far end of the campus. If you really know how to use that
You've
sling,
already checked
you
here.
better go first.
I'm just getting rocks.
Uh-huh.
And then I just made a thing, so.
Oh, true.
You know, just look around. Grab some. Pew. Oh,
That's a thing
it's a
you hit.
noisy thing.
Still nothing.
You might
Are
want
you
to...
sure she didn't leave the camp? Spread out, split up, and search the tents.
Yeah, you know that prisoner we said we had? We don't have them
Oh shit.
anymore.
Just a kid. She must be hauled up in a corner. Tents. Search those tents.
Can I just kill that guy? You think?
I mean, sure.
This one, this one, this one, this one.
Now I need to search...
Are you sure about that? I've had enough of running.
Yeah, I guess we can just fucking murder them all. None of them are wearing helmets.
Yeah.
Why are you going back this way?
Just to... No, they dropped stuff, remember? That was an afterthought. Oh, no, you don't see anything, sir.
Come on.
I found you! Black!
She's like, holy shit.
Jesus Christ. I just... You can get her to unlock that chest.
Yeah.
Melly,
Go do
can you
that.
look after it? Yes.
It's like, Hugo, we're taking murders.
We're doing murder now.
Because fuck it.
All the stars in the sky are our enemies, Hugo. Are you gonna shoot me?
Yeah.
Do you want
Oh!
some?
It's like she went through the town, through the whole camp. Just
there's fucking 20 dudes dead in the camp.
How did they die? Blunt force trauma to the head.
Blunt force trauma to the face. Right to the face.
Yeah, that's exactly where she is. Brother's up there like, bro, is she just murdering everyone?
Like, Jesus Christ, I think I'm in love.
Sister's like, you and me both, dude. Oh.
Samesies.
Oh. Oh.
Mon Dieu. Don't mind her. What's that noise? What's that weird swishing noise I'm hearing? This is a sneaking mission, Snake. Just fucking taking everyone out.
It's that easy.
Just get his bow and arrow now.
Nah.
Just leave. Where are you going? You're going back into the camp.
I thought there was a guy over here I killed.
That's
that
a horse.
I gotta loot these men.
Just leave.
Alright, yeah, we'll fuck off. What you got there, buddy?
He's got a bow and
Some
fucking
rocks.
bunch of arrows.
Oh, there's some stuff over there. See it?
Oh.
Nothing, buddy.
Let's go take
Shut
it.
up. You shut your mouth. Thanks. I got my rock back.
I guess.
Excuse you? Oh, he sees the girl.
No, he saw you. The girl is invisible. She's not a character.
She's not a thing.
She's not a player, so she doesn't matter.
Nope. You saw nothing. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, brother. Alright. Oh.
Just keep going.
But there was, like, leather and stuff.
Just leave!
Okay.
You don't need to stay in this area for fucking 40 minutes.
I just wanted to get the stuff, Jeff. Oh.
Don't mind us.
Oh, hey, look.
Oh shit, it's the cool guy again.
I pay a ransom for the Darun children, and I have to capture them myself. These Plantagenets are useless.
Where are the men? And just looks to see a trail of bodies. Be like, well,
Belly, run!
smoke bomb.
Oh, shit!
That's ahead. Take them out, Amicia. Be in position. What the hell did you do? Nothing. We didn't do anything. They want Hugo. Time to get out of here.
Forward!
This is our way out. Hurry. Don't slow down, Hugo. Follow
Yoink.
me.
Get up.
Won't let
Go.
them get you.
Keep running.
Oh, God.
Nope, we're
Just
gonna keep
badass
going.
walking.
They're coming up. We don't have much time. Quick. Locked. Shit.
She's picking the lock. Just hold on for a second.
Okay. Panicking. Excuse you.
Poof! Sleep with the angels. Also, you're sneaking now for some reason.
Stop.
The hat's there. That looks like our way out.
There's a chain. Ready.
Move, lady. Oh, she's gonna unlock it.
Come on, come on. I'll take care of them.
There's nowhere for you to go.
Amicia, come on.
Run, bitch! Parkour! Oh, it smells so bad.
Oh, I made a shield.
Oh.
bet you they find Arthur and kill him.
Man, Arthur's pretty fucking nuts. I can give him that.
Just bombing everything.
It's like, catch this, motherfuckers!
Smoke bomb my ass. It's a firebomb. You're crazy.
We know where we're going. Right now, we have to hide. Arthur and I know a place. And Lucas, he's waiting at your chateau. All in good time.
We're going to see Lucas again.
I hope so.
I like Lucas. He's nice.
Oh, he's got
Fucking
like a...
dead.
Save your breath, Hugo.
I didn't notice. He has
We're
like
on
a
the right
weird
track.
thing on his
Let's keep
side
Literally
of his
what
neck.
I talked about like 40 minutes ago.
Really? I didn't even...
Like at the yep. No, wait. It was an hour ago
I don't remember.
when she was petting his face in the boat.
I don't remember that.
What's so
When I
special
said he
about
had
the
road
weather?
rash.
Oh, that's what you're referring to.
And what
Okay.
about your brother? Will he be alright? He'll catch up with
I
us.
thought you were talking about
He
her
really
face.
saved our lives.
Like she had like a scar on her
It
nose.
was incredible. Hey, don't get all lovey-dovey. He'll break your poor little heart. No.
Eh, oh,
Yeah, we're going to use it to cross.
What?
What?
Is he always like that? He hasn't seen much of the world. This
He's
isn't
an
the
idiot.
best
I
moment to start.
apologize.
Let's one to the middle way.
Hey, slow down.
Mon Dieu.
It's closed.
I'll do it.
Pick the lock.
It's open.
It's cool.
Oh, a big wheel.
It's for crushing the wheat. The current's too strong.
How are we going to get across?
I wonder if these fucking wheels have to do anything with it.
Alicia, we'll find a way. The current's slowing down, but not enough. Hugo, can you take care of it? We have to stop that wheel first, or this won't end well.
Okay. Ah.
Oh. What is grinding here?
The wood.
You know,
One after the other. Alright, let's try the lock and the brake. Over to you, Melanie. Alright. It's working. Yay! All we have to do now is cross over.
Okay.
Stop. Understood.
No.
Melanie, can you look after it? Yes.
Can I...
Help me to get the side of this, but the wheel has to be stable for me to get across.
Alright, can you do it?
I'll let you do it, Hugo.
Yes.
Yeah, he's pretty strong. Cool.
Amicia, you're not leaving without me, are you?
oh
I'm coming,
my
Hugo.
god.
I'm just trying to find a way to get you. Amicia, help me get across and I'll give you a hand from the other side.
And then have her pull the lever. You have to click on her again.
Hold on. Uh-huh.
There.
Understood.
I just slowly walk over there. And then you let him go.
No, stop. And there you go. See? Simple.
We beat them in.
If the Inquisition make it this far, that'll hold them up for a while.
I'm sure.
If they are morons.
They're pretty... Oh, hey.
That's going forward.
Let's see.
Nothing yet, sir.
Alright, well, I guess we go forward then. Actually, can I make items? I can make one of these. Cool. Grab this stuff. Alright, cool. So
We're going.
Go through here. Come on. You trying to impress me or what?
Who are you looking
No.
at?
Right, come on.
It's pretty here.
That's funny. Are you trying to impress me or what? No.
No.
I'm just...
No. A blush.
Teehee.
Teehee.
Lucky duck. Is that where Lucas is?
I hope so.
The
I doubt
Aki
this castle
duck.
is going to look like much.
The
Why?
ducky duck.
This used to be a village.
The Aki duck.
Yep,
but
yep,
it was
yep, yep.
reduced to rubble in just one night, years ago. Some say there's a curse around these parts.
Amicia?
She's joking, Hugo. Of course I am. Since when do I say anything true, eh?
Eh? There's a chest here. Oh, cool.
Man, I thought you were fucking.
There's nothing.
I thought they trolled you so hard for a second.
I mean, don't put it past them, honestly. She's like, what are you doing? Looting?
We're
Duh.
getting shit so that I can build a better string.
People live here then.
Yes, but they left.
Where did they go?
Somewhere else.
A bit like us.
Yes. A bit like us.
Indeed. Okay, nothing. Come on, boyo.
Oh,
Oh, another flower.
Oh, cool.
You know what that is?
hawthorn, I think. Nobody likes it because of the thorns, but it's good for the heart.
Well, aren't you a fount of knowledge?
Mommy taught me.
You can teach me then.
And will you teach me how to use this thing?
It's a deal.
Hell yeah. Slings are awesome. The dawn of man, we loved throwing rocks. How about you, Jeff? Are you a
What?
fan of the throwing of rocks?
No, spears all the way.
Oh, nice.
That
Based.
was when combat fully changed, though, with the spear.
Pointed stick?
Fucking pointed stick. And then the ability to shoot pointed sticks over long
Hugo.
distances.
What are you doing? Come here.
Oh,
Stop having migraines, child.
Hugo. Hugo, look at me. Is it starting again? Your head.
it's like somebody's going inside. My legs are shaking.
Don't say he's been bitten. It's not the bite. It's something in his blood since he was little. I'll have to carry him. Climb on my back if you can. Come on.
Sorry.
Don't worry. If it's in his blood. What about you? I'm fine. Lucas is trying to slow the effects down. That's also why we're going to the chateau.
Yeah.
Amicia,
So-
I'm scared.
Of what, Hugo?
Yeah.
What's in my head?
Don't worry. We're all scared of what's in our heads. Here we are. You'll be able to rest. At last. Help me lift this. I'm coming. Hugo, can you climb down, please?
Is this your house?
It's a hideout, lad. It's meant for hiding out, not banquets with lords and ladies. Don't touch that. It's my brother's. That's worth a lot, that is. How long have you been living like this? Like ruffians and beggars, you mean? Family tradition. Our dad was a piece of rubbish. Tried to beat us one time too many, so we skedaddled. But you're almost royalty. Royalty?
Amicia,
What does huh mean?
I'm cold.
Can't you see? Look at us. We've lost everything. What do you mean? Who's going to pay us then? What are you talking about? Your mate Lucas. He said you're rich. Just forget it, alright? Take Arthur's straw mattress, and when he finally gets here, we'll have a proper discussion.
Who's going to pay us? Like, what are you talking about? They're all fucking dead.
Everyone's dead.
I guess word doesn't travel too far in these days.
I don't have the internet.
We don't have the Twitter. Huh? Gone in ninja mode.
So, see anything?
No, nothing there.
Hey, men!
Just move
This
a
way. I
giant
need some
piece
help.
of wall silently.
Where does that go?
Outside. Yes, but where? Just trust me. And your brother? He should have been here by now. Sorry.
Told you,
Don't
he's been
give up
caught.
on him just yet.
Oh, everyone's dead.
You're dead.
In the rat apocalypse.
Stay down. He has a helmet. Ah,